Barbecue fam, today we're doing up some Reubens, the classic Reuben on the Char-Griller Flatiron 3-burner. Oh hell yeah, check this out. The best thing about a classic Reuben is simple ingredients, easy to do, and you're using some leftovers. Well, hell yeah, the corned beef brisket. Yeah. So you want to get your griddle fired up and then season that off. Well, depending on where you're at from your last cook. Mine was decent, cleaned up and good to go. Gonna hit down some avocado oil, and then we're gonna be getting the corned beef brisket sliced. We got some sauerkraut, we got Swiss cheese, and we got rye bread. Oh hell yeah, easy to do. And some butter. Obviously you're gonna wanna butter up your bread, toast that up, put this together. Simple, delicious, amazing sandwich, let me tell you. It's great. Get yourself a decent sauerkraut. Stuff in a bag, not so hot. Stuff in a can or a jar. That's the way to go, and that's what I'm doing. I got a German style sauerkraut. We're gonna be warming that up on the griddle along with our corned beef sliced up. I'm gonna slap down some Swiss cheese, mix that all together, and slap it on this rye bread. I got a marbled rye as well. Oh hell yeah.
Give me a hell yeah!
This is one of those cooks you could just sit back, have a nice cold one, and be done in about 5 minutes. But you can prolong that cook because you're doing something else, you're cleaning this or that, and then you can bring dinner in the house. Everybody's happy because you're there on time. Sometimes I run out of time, but it is what it is. Have a good time making your classic Reuben. Hell yeah. It's time for that classic Reuben off the Char-Griller 3-burner Flatiron. Oh hell yeah, check this out. One of the best sandwiches ever. Oh hell yeah.
I said give me a hell yeah!
My goodness. The best thing to do with your leftover corned beef. Oh, damn straight. And you can make them real huge and fat and whatever. The thinner ones I prefer. The thicker ones I brought in the house. It's rocking. Oh, so much perfectness in every bite. Oh hell yeah. That's a home run any day of the week. Damn straight. What can I say? That's rocking. Easy to do, killer sandwich, go do it. You're gonna love it. Oh hell yeah. Cheers folks.
I said give me a hell yeah!